On a daily basis, people face mental and emotional strain, which ultimately makes us, as a collective, lose touch with ourselves. Our modern lifestyle is full of distractions that cause people to become lost and unhappy with their lives. Consciously being mindful and focused is something we should practice. Meditation is more mainstream due to the positive physical and mental benefits it provides. We need to encourage this practice to maintain a healthy lifestyle. That's why we created the Centrepeace meditation seat. It puts you in a perfect lotus posture, which enhances your meditative practice. The Centrepeace meditation seat has a premium design made from natural materials, hemp and pine. We spent years in research and development and collaborated with chiropractors and physiotherapists. The precise measurements were developed with meticulous care to accommodate all body types for maximum comfort. The meditative seat has also been designed to keep your spine upright and pelvis in a neutral position while relieving tension from your knees and ankles while sitting cross-legged. This was all created using the sustainable and industrious hemp. With its lightweight and strong tensile strength, it's a better alternative to traditional manufacturing materials. More innovation and use of this material can lessen the human impact on the environment. We need your help to kickstart the journey of bringing mindfulness in people's homes, studios, or even workplaces. We need a place to recollect our thoughts. Centrepeace is more than a seat. It's a peace of mind where you can truly find the divinity within yourself. The meditative seat was created with your best interests in mind. Every part of the process came from Canada, British Columbia. And our dream is to remind and provide convenience for people to practice mindfulness. We can develop a habit which improves our health. We can find Centrepeace.